whatever it is, guys. No way. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me now? Are you kidding me now? Welcome back to another episode of Blue Light Kaplan here. I'm using my GoPro today to record the videos, and today we're going only after big fish. I have my two setups right here. This is a conventional setup on a Daiwa 10 medium heavy action rod, and this is a thing that's a 20-pound line, monofilament line, but a 60-pound braided line, leader. And this is my own made drum rig right here, guys, with a 6-ounce pyramid sinker. And that one is my spinning setup, which is a Daiwa MCAS 12-foot rod, a 20-pound braided line. That's a Daiwa BG 5000. And this is my own made rig again here, drum rig right here. Oh, sorry, that's actually I brought it from a tackle shop. And I have a size 7 pyramid sinker right there as weight. I picked this area because it seems like actually this is a really deep pool, and I'm going to be using caught mullet as bait. We'll hang out here for like a little bit. If we don't catch anything, I might actually just like move like 50 yards towards the left. It seems like actually there's a really nice cut right there too. It looks like it's deep too. And that's the day plan, guys. I'll try to cast out there right back behind that waves breaking right there. That's I think where that deeper water will stand, that drop off will be. That's the day plan, guys. Let's cut some mullet and we'll put it on there and we'll cast it out there as far as possible, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll catch a fish. And that reel, by the way, it's a Penn Squall 2. That's a 15 SD, the conventional reel. All right, let's see what we got here. I cast netted this mullet's back behind my creek, guys, back behind my house. I do like actually do that, just like take that scales off. Some people, they don't like it, they like it scales better. It just changes from person to person. I'm gonna use heads on one of them, and then not at a massive piece, but that small tiny chunk of bait on one of them. And we'll start with, fingers crossed, guys. Wish me good luck. Hopefully we catch a really nice drum, and hopefully it will be a day full of action with big fish. Right back behind that wave, and I think actually she'll do it. Just tighten it down. Check the drag, make sure that it's not too tight. If we get a fish, we want it to take off with it. This is our conventional reel right here. Loosen this off a little bit. I'm gonna cast this towards the left and let it to drag to the right. Cast it to the right and let it to drag, to be carried by the waves towards to the left. This is where I like to fish. Leave the bag right here. Make a few casts. Hopefully we'll catch something. I thought actually I spooked a bunch of fish right here. Guys, we're not giving up unless we caught a fish. Here is another spot. I'm gonna try here for another 20 minutes till that sun went down, and hopefully I see some mullet. Actually, that's a good sign. Hopefully we'll catch something. Ooh, nice. There's some mullets definitely jumping. Nice. Come on, trout skis. Oh man, that was something big, I guess, chased them. Cast it that way. Nice. Wasn't a bad cast. Ooh, exactly where them all jumped. A lot of mullets. That is a lot of mullet. Alright, let's try something else, guys. Something a little heavier, so I can cast a little further out there. I cannot cast that lure too far, it's really light. Here you go, guys. Let's try that. That looks amazing. That looks so juicy. Come on. I have to get something on here. And I can't cast pretty good. Nope. Nope. Switch. Do something else. Should I try this? Why not? What the hell? Just give it a try. Alright, if we don't get any bites on this color too, guys, I'll start think that there is no fish. Because I don't see any other reason for this fish not biting. Water is not that cold. There's a lot of bait around. Good action. Everything's perfect. Oh, is that a fish? Is that a fish? Sure it is. I almost can't swear that I saw a shrimp jump. Oh God, that's a fish, guys. That is a fish. And that is a good fish. Holy cow. Bluefish? I don't know, it doesn't act like a bluefish. That's a good fish, guys. But should I give him some drag? That is a big fish, guys. Holy cow. What are you? Come here. That's a big fish, guys. What is this? Whatever it is, guys. No way. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me now? Are you kidding me now? You are absolutely kidding me. You are kidding me. Check this trout. Goodness, God gracious. Are you kidding me? No way! It doesn't have any eggs or nothing too, which is great, amazing. So if I want to, I can keep it basically. Dude, that is a monster of a trout. Let's just get this lure out of its mouth. No way! Check this out! Are you kidding me? Alright, so this is the profile, guys, that we got that trout on. You saw me, guys. I tried so many things. I even didn't get a single bite. But then I switched that thing and I cast it around. Second or third bite. Check this trout. Are you kidding me? This is my hand, guys. This is my hand. Holy cow. This is like at least 26-inch trout. I don't have my tape with me. Such a pity. How crazy is that? Right, guys, I'm gonna keep him, I guess, because he doesn't have any eggs. I guess I'm gonna keep him. Beautiful. Holy cow. Right, yes guys, thank you so much for watching. I mean, I'm so honestly happy and so thankful for being blessed with such a beautiful trout. If it was, you know, if it had some eggs, I will definitely let it go, but it doesn't have any eggs. It seems like actually he got rid of the eggs, so I'm gonna keep it. I've been on a struggle bus, guys. I was on a struggle bus, honestly. I tried so hard. I fished on ocean side, I fished on sound side, and I didn't catch anything. But finally I decided to come this spot, and I tried like 4 or 5 lures and we didn't catch anything till I switched to that mirror lure right there, that color right there, and then bam, we got that beautiful trout, and I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy I caught a fish to show you guys on this channel, and I'm so happy for that beautiful sunset as well. Let me show you guys. Is that, guys? That's amazing. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Before we finish the video, it's kind of getting late. Make sure that you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, please, and support me, support the channel. Let's make this channel grow up and make it a well-known channel altogether. I couldn't talk for a second, but yeah, thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys. You all stay safe out there. We'll see you next time.